nutrition with Mispa, and today I have came here to give you some remedies, some tips on this current situation, so that you can cope up with this a little better. Whatever you are dealing with, I just want to tell you this. Whatever the situation is going on, don't get panic, and keep the situation light. And if anyone of you or anyone known in your family or anyone of your known person has got the symptom or got in the situation like is getting breathless, that if anyone nearby you are getting fever, getting cold, getting cough, don't get panic that you have got COVID. If even you are having this kind of symptom, like if you have got cough, take mulati powder in water, boil it for 5 minutes, and drink it 3 to 4 times a day. The cough will surely go, and no need to panic that I have got a what to think that I have got COVID. First help yourself getting first help yourself naturally. No need to rush for hospital instant. Doctors are also telling not to come to hospital. Why we are thinking to go to hospital? Okay. So if you will get cough, try this remedy. And if you are getting cold or any symptom of breathless, first and foremost go and take some tulsi leaf, ginger, cinnamon, black pepper, and give the and boil this, crush it in the crush it and boil it for 5 minutes. Give the person who is suffering from cold or breathlessness. Okay. Or if or this does not or and tell the person to lay upside down, like to lay on the stomach, facing the bed, and tell the person to breathe. This is the best exercise a person who is suffering from low oxygen can do and get rid instantly. And if possible, put one hand fan, a small hand fan in one distance. Secondly, if the person has got headache is the common symptom the person is getting, and so if the person has got a headache, tell the person or give the person a concoction of black pepper, ginger, cinnamon, and clove. Boil this, crush this, boil this in a water for 5 minutes, and give this to the person. The person will get instant relief in their headache. And if the person has got fever, give the person concoction of giloy and tulsi. Boil it for same for 5 minutes in the warm water and give the person to sip it warm. The person will instantly get some relief, and even it can get purely, and most of the time it get cured instantly. Give 3 to 4 times a day. So these were some tips I thought I must share with you, so that you can get some relief. Don't panic. First do your home remedies. Home remedies best without any side effect. There's no any side effect. Even if you go to hospital, they give medicine, what they react we don't know. So first of all, go and go in your kitchen, see the ingredient what you are having or not, which can help you get cured. Why to rush to hospital instantly? Before, the person don't choose to go to hospital instantly, they used to do the remedies at home. So think about that, and relax and chilled. Don't be so much in so much of stress, and don't give stress, don't be in so much of stress, and don't let that person who has got this kind of symptoms to be in to get in stress. Stress is the main situation where person get more ill. So try to live free, enjoy, listen to the music, laugh more and more, watch television, eat fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, greens, and see instant result. You will get, there is no need to get fear so much. Even the reason is like that in this, that everyone of us will get some or the other we will get some or the other symptom of this kind because season is changing. And of course if COVID is also there, then try your remedies. That's all guys. Enjoy your life, don't panic, don't get stressed, don't rush to hospital. uh, and that's all. If you any of you get any relief from this video by using any of these remedies, please comment on in my comment box, and tell me. And if you want to watch this kind of videos, stay connected to me. Tell you, don't panic, this is the first remedy you can apply. Otherwise, okay guys, bye, stay connected, take care, stay happy.